Looking for the perfect compact, beginner-friendly drone that doesn't compromise on features? Look no further than DJI's Mini series. With its sleek design and impressive capabilities, it's no wonder why it's a favorite among drone enthusiasts. But with the recent release of the Mini 4 Pro, some have found themselves underwhelmed by its upgrades, particularly given its increased price tag. So, what can DJI do to restore the glory of its Mini series with the anticipated release of the Mini 5 Pro? Let's dive in. First and foremost, let's talk about the camera. The Mini 4 Pro boasts a high-quality camera with 4K resolution, which is great for capturing stunning aerial footage. However, many users feel that the camera could be improved further. One significant upgrade that fans are hoping for in the Mini 5 Pro is a larger image sensor. Currently, both the Mini 3 and 4 Pro feature a 1x1.3-inch sensor, which, while capable, has its limitations. By upgrading to a 1-inch sensor, DJI could vastly improve the dynamic range and low-light performance of the Mini 5 Pro, allowing users to capture even more breathtaking shots. Another area where the Mini 4 Pro fell short was in its internal storage capacity. With only 2 GB of storage space, users often find themselves having to transfer media frequently, which can be inconvenient, especially when out in the field. To address this issue, DJI should consider increasing the internal storage of the Mini 5 Pro to at least 8 GB, providing users with ample space to store their photos and videos without constantly having to offload them onto external devices. Flight time is always a concern for drone pilots, and while the Mini 4 Pro offered decent flight time, it didn't see any significant improvements over its predecessor. With the added weight of the Intelligent Battery Plus, finding a solution to increase flight time without sacrificing performance will be crucial for the Mini 5 Pro. Ideally, DJI should aim to offer at least 40 minutes of uninterrupted flight time with the standard battery option, allowing users to fly worry-free for longer periods. In addition to these essential upgrades, there are several other features that users would love to see in the Mini 5 Pro. Improved obstacle avoidance technology, enhanced stability and control, and better connectivity options are just a few examples. By addressing these areas of improvement, DJI can ensure that the Mini 5 Pro not only meets, but exceeds the expectations of its users. As for the release window, DJI has been known to move quickly when it comes to launching new products. With the Mini 4 Pro being released just a year after its predecessor, it's reasonable to expect that the Mini 5 Pro could be unveiled as early as September 2024. However, it's essential for DJI to take the time to ensure that the Mini 5 Pro is truly a standout product with significant upgrades that justify its price tag. In conclusion, while the Mini 4 Pro is a great drone overall, there is definitely room for improvement. With the anticipated release of the Mini 5 Pro, DJI has the opportunity to make significant upgrades that will elevate the Mini series to new heights. By focusing on areas such as camera quality, internal storage, flight time, and overall performance, DJI can create a drone that not only meets, but exceeds the expectations of its users. So, here's to hoping that the Mini 5 Pro will be everything that drone enthusiasts have been waiting for and more.